Hello, my name is Nelly Guerrero. I am Carol Model. Today I'm going to translate and then we ask her some questions.
Hello, my name is Karel Morales.
Where are you from?
I'm from Colombia and I live in Bogota.
How old are you?
I am 21 years old.
Are you a student?
No, just work for the moment.
What do you do during the day?
During the day, I work, study, and go to the gym.
What do you do after that?
After that, I go into home to cook and spend time with my pets.
Do you hide pets?
Yes, I do. I have two cats.
What are their names?
Their names are Thailand and Pantera.
What do you like to do?
I like to travel.
What do you like?
I don't like cooking.
Thank you, you're my joy.
You're welcome.